iPhones users will soon be able to wirelessly charge their phones using the charging case for the popular Apple AirPods wireless headphones, according to an industry source familiar with the plan. The development would add to Apple's highly anticipated wireless AirPower charging platform, introduced last year in June, which brought the next step closer to Chief Designer Jony Ive's call in 2016 for a truly wireless future. Apple previously said it is working on a wireless charging case for AirPods that could also be completed with the AirPower pad. It is hard to see how this could work. The AirPods case has a small battery compared to the iPhone 398 mAh for the current case compared to 2716 mAh for the iPhone X. It is not completely impossible to use it for an emergency power pulse, but that would require additional circuits in what is currently a very small case. It would also be uncomfortable to balance the phone in the smallest case. Putting the case on top of the iPhone would require the iPhone to be face down, preventing its use during charging. In general, it seems more likely that someone has misunderstood something related to the AirPower project. The plan announced by Apple is a charging mat that can simultaneously power an iPhone, Apple Watch and a new AirPods case with wireless charging capabilities.